Welcome once again to our channel. In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to create a mock-up in Cricut Design Space. You would want to do a mock-up if you would like to show your customer the item without actually making the item. So it just give them a glimpse of what they're going to get. So I'm going to do everything from scratch now. I just wanted to show you what it would look like when it's done. So I'm going to hide everything and bring everything back in. So the website that I pulled the shirts off is called S&S Activewear. The website is www.ssactivewear.com, and on this website it has a whole lot of variety of items that you can pick from. What I usually do, I'll search the shirt that I'm looking for. So here's the little search bar here. If you just look for Next Level, which is a brand, women's t-shirt, and so you'll get all of these different options you can choose from, but the one that I want to go with is the Women Ideal Crew. So when you get to this screen, it's going to automatically come up with a model. I usually choose the black one. As you can see here, it has front, side, back, and model. So you would click on the front. Normally that's what customers wants to see, unless they're getting some on the back. So we're on the front. You would click the shirt. Make sure you expand it, because if you don't expand it, if you just try to save from that screen, it'll be small. So you would right click the image, save image as. The dialog box is gonna pop up. You can save it for whatever you want to save it as, but I'm going to save mine as Women T Front. And remember whatever folder you want to save in. So I take everything to my pictures, press save, and you could just click on it. If you need the back, go back, click again, right click, save image. Change the name, Women's Tee Back, and save. So you have both of those angles. If you need the side angle, you would just repeat that step if you were doing something with the sleeve. If you wanted the actual model so they can see how it looks on the actual person, you will follow the same steps, save image as, and use that example. As you can see, you can choose hoodies, whatever you like on here. The same thing would apply. I always choose the black color, and there's the front. You would follow the same thing, save that, the side, the back, oops, the back, and then the model, of course. So we're going to go over to Cricut Design Space. This is what it would look like if you have a new one. I brought these over, but I'm going to do it again just so you can see what I do. So you click upload. I already have these here, but I'm going to show you how to pull them in. Upload image, click browse. You go to your folder. If you're like me, you have a bunch of stuff in here. So I have a little search bar here, and I'll just type women and hit the blue arrow, and my options will come up. So I'm going to choose the women's front. I always choose complex. Continue. Continue again. If you want to remove the background from here, you can. It's an easier way to remove the background. So you hit this, select this little icon here, and click into here. And as you can see, that's the easier way to remove the background. and press continue and save. So now what that does, it gives you a transparent background versus having the white background there. So I'm going to insert the shirt. You just click upload here and you go over here and do insert images. So the image is going to pop up. You can hit the lock button to unlock it so that you can adjust the size of your shirt, however, whatever size you want it to be. And then you're going to either create your design by including text, or you can upload a design you already have. So I'm going to upload a design that I already have. You all. And I'm going to go with the Sassy Sister design. So you highlight it and then insert image. And it comes over, it's black, so we need to change the color because black on black, it's a no-go. So we're going to make it purple so that it shows up. So in the event that your design shows up or you want to bring something to the front, you can right click the t-shirt and then send it front, and it'll be in front of the design, or you could send it back by right clicking send back, and it'll bring the design to the front. So you would just adjust the design however you would like to have it on the shirt. I'm going to make the shirt just a tad bit bigger. And then just so the customer can see the design. So another thing you can do if you would like to create a background border for it, you can use a shape. I'm going to use a square. I'm going to change the color to the square. I'm going to make that purple as well. Unlock it by hitting the little lock and spread it out. I want to make it a little bigger than the t-shirt. And then I'm going to take the square and I'm going to send it to the back so it's in the background. Oops. I don't want to move the shirt. I'm trying to move the actual square. So if you just want to add a background, you can use this option. And that just puts, I just like how it looks. So you're probably wondering, okay, now that you've created it, which is pretty simple, how do you get it to the customer? Okay, so we have what you call the snipping tool. So if you don't have it, I already have it here. It's the little scissors. I have it already saved to my desktop, but I'm going to show you how to find yours if you don't. So you just type in your search box snipping tool and it'll pop up. Click snipping tool. This dialog box is going to pop up. You want to choose new. And it'll gray out. You just take this arrow and you highlight everything you want to snap. So you put it from the top of the box to the end and it brings it up just like this. So all you need to do is take this document, hit file, save as. We'll save this as a mock-up. And you could use your customer name or whatever you want to use it for, but I'm just gonna do mock-up, and I'm gonna do Sassy just so I know what it is. And then you click save. So it's telling me I already have that saved because I've been through this before. So I'll just choose Sassy 1 and then save. And it's going to save to wherever you want it in your computer. So once you save it, you could take the file, you could email it to yourself, email it to your customer. It won't have this information on it, so we could X out of here. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. Since I already had my mock-ups, it's already popping up. So this is the particular item. So this is what it's gonna look like. It has the background in it, and it also has the design in the t-shirt as well. So you could take this and email it to your customer so they could get a general idea of what it looks like. So you're able to bring in any items that you would like. If you wanted to do a mock-up similar to this one with this background, if you're able to find these items, you can. If not, you can buy these mock-ups already put together on Etsy.com. So these is just a few of mock-ups that I already have. So you can do things like this. You would just have to bring in the items and put the design on each shirt and snap it, and there you have your mock-up. I'm just going to show you one more thing if you buy a mock-up that doesn't have a design on there. So I'm going to upload my mock-up. And some of them are come over huge, so you just hit the lock button and go over and adjust the size to make it smaller so you can see what you're doing. It kind of looks, so just keep adjusting it till you get it to where you want it to be. So it would be pretty much the same. I'm going to use this design again. You would just, and as you can see, this design is going to the back. You would just right click, send front, bring the design down, adjust it to how you want it. And so your customer would get an idea of what a whole outfit looks like. And if you wanted to, you know, snap it so that you can snip it so that you can send it to your customer, you would just go through the same steps with the snipping tool, hit new, and highlight your design. And then you would just do, you could do right click save as, it's such a habit for me, or you can just do file save as, either way works. And again, you would name your design. I always save mock-ups as mock-up, Sassy 2. And then just hit save. I'm going to use Elmo. He's fun. Insert Elmo. Ooh, he's huge. And we're going to put Elmo on this shirt. So we're going to just shrink them. There you go. You have your Elmo. Make them bigger. And then you would just follow the same step. Hit the snipping tool. New. And then capture your design and save it. And there you have a mock-up. So you can actually use the same mock-up over and over again and keep switching out the design. Once you can save these on your Etsy store if you're selling them or whatever the case may be. I just wanted to show you an object as well as if it was words that you're using. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you have any other tricks that you use as shortcuts, also share those with us. If this is your first time here, please like and subscribe to our channel, and also check out our website at www.naturalrootstees.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.